Hello everyone, my name is Xolan Sultzai. I'm going to do my revision, my Excel revision with you guys. So we start here. Here's the question. It says equation 1 below illustrate the relationship of Newton's second law. And then the first question says calculate the force for each acceleration. I'm not teaching guys, I'm just doing a revision with you, helping those who don't really understand Excel. Yeah, okay, here our first question says calculate the force for each acceleration indicated. Come here, say equal to, then we click, then shift 8 times, then we say equal to, then we drag. In order to save time, we just drag. You see, like that's why it's 0. It's because the mass is not constant, and it's supposed to be constant. So in order for our mass to make it constant, just came here and they put a dollar sign between the times, the multiple sign, and the alphabet sign. Okay, and then you are done. So when you drag again, it gives us numbers. So see now our mass is constant now, which is supposed to be like that. The second question says the force. To ensure the force values calculated have 3 decimal places. Okay, as you can see guys, they have 3 decimal places, all of them, right? Yeah. Then the another question, third question, insert a line with markers plot with the force on the y-axis and acceleration on the x-axis. And then when you want to insert a graph, you can't do it like this. You can't put it, you must take this away, take this here aside, because when you put it like this, it's going to like give you a graph, you see, which is not good. So I just put it away on another cell, not in the table. Then you go to insert tab, then you go to our charts group, just click here. Here is our graph. They said on the y-axis is force and on the x-axis is acceleration. Let's do it. Click on the right side of your mouse, then select data, just say add. Go to, since you can see with the y-axis, just go there, then okay, there it is. And then for x-axis, go there. When you are dragging, you don't include the headings. Yeah, we don't include the heading because it is gonna give you something else. Just like you see now, there is the problem. So you don't include the headings, which is okay. Then say okay. Second question says label the axis as indicated in question 4. Make the font of both labels Arial. Okay, we are here. Arial size 12 and italic. Okay, we know you come here and then axis title. Our okay. Okay, you know our x-axis is acceleration. 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 M S it is supposed to be like this, guys, as it is on the table. Yeah, come here, superscript. Okay, we are done. And then x-axis. X-axis is force, right? Yeah, it's force. Shift, click shift. For the brackets, you just click shift 9 and shift 0. Then yeah, like that. They said label indicated, Arial size 12 and italic, okay, which is the font size. Okay, italic, Arial and what 12. So also in this side you must highlight it, guys. Must highlight it. Then the next question says change the background color of the plot area to a gradient radial fill. Go here in the plot area. This is the plot area. Then just click here, click fill, then gradient, here is it is, and then click more. So there it is, gradient fill. Just make it radial, which is we are done. Okay, the next question says set an appropriate chat toggle and change its font to Times New Roman size 11. Also make the font uppercase. Set an appropriate toggle. Okay, here's the toggle. Just you can write any toggle which is you can understand it, but it will gonna be there. I'm just going to say the acceleration effect on force. Yeah, okay. Can see most, like can see as the acceleration increases, also this one increases, the force increases. That's why I'm choosing it. So like the next one, okay, they said the New Roman. You highlight it, guys. New Roman. Here's New Roman. Then 11. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's 11 and it's uppercase, guys. So the next question says insert a logarithmic trend line on the chart. Display the equation and value of R2 on the chart. Just say okay, go there, trend lines. Just say more. The logarithmics, yeah. Then you display the equation on chart. Display R, which is there. It is. The next question says change the shape of the chat markers to red triangle with a size of 15. Change the shape of markers, click on markers, and then format. Come here, click on markers. When you feel it's red, right? Yeah, it's red. And then what did they say? I changed to red triangle, the size 15. Red triangles, red triangle. Okay, cell built in. There, the red triangle. 15 size, it's 15. You are done, but not yet. They say, and the next say change the color of the chat area to solid green. Chat area is this one. Chat area is this one, guys. As you can see, say format to green. Green, yeah. Choose green, yeah, solid green. To insert the border around the chat, make the dash type a long dash, make the width of the border 5 pt, the color is solid black. Okay, going to insert a border. Just gonna say insert a solid border. Solid border to black, and should be 5 pt. Okay, 5 pt, and in triple, yeah, see, it's triple, and then the dash type is dash, in which we are almost done. Okay, they said make the dash type long dash, triple border, make the long dash, make the width 45, and the color solid black. Okay, we're done. Okay, the next question says, last question says, change the width of the trend lines to 2 pt and change the trend line dash to square dot. Okay, trend line, the width of trend lines. Okay, here are the trend lines. Okay, format. Okay, let's change the width of the trend line. My trend lines, and then you come here, trend line 2 pt, change the trend line dash to square dot. Okay, dash to square dot. There it is. You are done with it. Thanks. I will love your support. Please subscribe and like if you like the video, and you can ask questions for more videos on Excel, like I can do. I want to